if you want to add an app shortcut to the home screen on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, what you need to do is, first of all, we're going to open the Shortcuts app. Definitely you should be able to find it in the app library. You can also try to find it in the utilities folder in the home screen if you still have it. Now in here, of course, we can find a bunch of different apps and different shortcuts made by these apps. And in order to add something to the home screen, let's say I'm gonna choose I don't know, something like a voice memo feature. So I'm gonna choose the record button and add it to the home screen. To do that, you can just press and hold your finger on the shortcut and then choose add to home screen. You can still customize the button if you want to. You can also change the symbol and so on and so forth. We can even use a custom image if you want to, and then press add in the top right corner. And then the shortcut will be added to the home screen, so you don't have to go through the app in order to use a certain feature. You might be able to just do that immediately by using this shortcut. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.